Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In this video, we are going to be talking about Bryan and Candy Home Spa Kit. I have mango fruity variant of the home spa kit and it contains 5 items. As you can see, it comes with this tub and 5 different items. Let's start with the tub itself. It's so cute. Let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging, the way this comes as a kit. It is so beautiful. Having said that, let's just get into this video. So the home spa kit that I have with me is in mango fruity variant, and there are different variants apart from mango fruity like cocoa, berry, green tea and orange. The entire kit, all the products smell so delicious. Do not eat them. They smell so good and they feel good, and once you use them your body feels so soft and nourished. Having said that, let's just start with the first product. So the first product is this bath and shower gel. The gel has decent consistency and it lathers beautifully. Aloe vera juice and mango seed extracts infused shower gel is perfect to kickstart your morning with refreshing fragrance. The set also comes with a cute loofah to form a luxurious lather. Once rinsed, it leaves a very supple and soft skin. This individual bottle retails at Rs 350. Moving ahead, I use this creamy body polish product and this is perfect for everyday use. It has natural micro beads that helps to clear clogged pores. Everyday use of this product helps the skin to breathe better. This individual tub retails at Rs 300 for 100 grams. If you want further exfoliation, then go ahead with mango fruity body scrub. This is enriched with argan oil and oatmeal extract, while sugar in the scrub helps to hydrate the skin. Scrubbing helps to improve the blood circulation of the skin. This exfoliates dead cells and cleanses the skin impurities. This individual tub retails at 350 rupees for 100 grams. Once all this is done, here is my favorite step. My skin is super dry and I need something that is very moisturizing and nourishing. So here is this hand and body lotion which is enriched with mango butter and hyaluronic acid. This hand and body lotion is very lightweight, very creamy and nourishing. It feels so good after using this product. So this individual tube retails at 400 rupees for 125 ml. I'm sure you all are tempted. Try this out. This is a home spa kit which is amazing for our current situation. We are at home, can't really do anything outside. So why not to pamper yourself at home? Use these products, and if you plan to buy any of the individual tubes or tubs, then go ahead with the sugar body scrub. That is so good, and also the hand and body lotion. These two are my favorite. Comment below, let me know which one is your favorite and which one you are planning to try it out. And yeah, I'm gonna link everything in the description, so do check it out before you move ahead. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, like my video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I'll see you next time.